This is what your front clip started out looking like when it left here. I expect it to arrive in the same condition. However, things do happen. Point out a couple things you should be aware of and things to look for. So this black shrink wrapping is on the front and on the back and on the top. You can see our stickers are on it. If you see any outward signs of damage, any tears in this top section, any crushing on the corners, anything like that, right away you should be suspicious. We've had freight companies rewrap these things after they've damaged them, so just be aware they don't have our stickers. We always put in writing what it is, where it's going, what it is inside. It's not for them, that's for us. So, little comparison, there's a door over there. This thing is just shy of 5 feet tall. It weighs around 1,000 pounds. They can be a shade lighter or quite a bit heavier depending on what your front clip is. But this is what it looks like. So we're always looking on the underside at the wood, make sure it's not all beat up and hammered. If you see any signs at all, the most important part is notify the driver immediately. If you don't tell the driver that you think it's damaged in transit and you call me after the driver leaves, there is nothing I can do. The freight companies don't play games with this stuff, so please be on your toes. Give it a good look. The driver might let you cut it open, take a look inside. He may not. That is out of my control. But any questions, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My extension, of course, is 112. Thanks.